Hello, friends!
Let's go learn the alphabet together!
Okay, let's go!
Let's go! Hey, kids! Let's play a game of finding the letter Q! Great! That sounds fun! Exciting! This is the police station. What letter is this? That's right, this is the letter A.
Let's write the letter the police car found. A.
What letter did I find at the hospital? That's right, I found the letter B.
Let me see you write the letter the ambulance found. B.
I'm a tow truck. Read the letter I'm looking for. That's right, it's the letter C.
Let's write the letter the tow truck found. C.
This is an exciting amusement park. Do you know what this letter is? Correct answer. It's the letter D. Great!
Let's write the letter the bus found. D. You did super well.
This is a construction site. Wow! I found it! This is the letter Q. It looks like a circle with a tail.
Let's write the letter the truck found. Q. You did super well.
Look, these are the letters we found. A, B, C, D, Q. You did a great job. Let's learn some more. Shall we learn some more letters?
This is the letter Q. 1, 2. Let's learn how to write the letter Q step by step. Q.
Wow, that's amazing.
Let's write it again. Q.
Read the letters.
Q.
You did a great job.
Let me see you write it one more time. Q. Let's write it once again. Q.
You did a great job. Wow, that's amazing.
Guess what picture you see? What letter is the truck holding? That's right! It's the letter Q. Let's write the letter Q together. Q.
Was it fun learning the letters with us today?
Let's have fun learning them again next time. Bye!